Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful crochet top and blouse design ideas. So I hope viewers you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers crochet top and blouse are handmade fashion pieces made with yarn and creative. They are very stylish, lightweight, and perfect for modern fashion lovers. What make crochet tops special in their unique handmade design? Every piece is different because it is made by hands, not machines. Some crochet tops are simple and elegant. Some are trendy and colorful. Some are boho style with loose patterns, and some are fit and stylish for parties and events. And crochet blouses are very popular in traditional wear. And dear friends, that is why crochet fashion is loved all around the world. One of the best things about crochet top is comfort. They are soft on the skin and very breathable. This makes them perfect for summer and warm weather. Crochet fashion also give a very artistic and creative look. When you wear a crochet top, it shows personality and style. And friends, when you wear a crochet top, it shows personality and style. It is not just clothing, it is wearable art. You can choose different color and design depending on your mood. And friends, you can light color like white and cream give an elegant look. Bright color give a bold and fun style. Pattern shades give a soft and romantic feeling. And friends, viewers, That is why every crochet piece carry efforts, time, and creative, and that is what makes them special. Crochet tops fashion trend. People want unique and creative outfits. Crochet top and blouse are perfect for that. This give a nature, soft and stylish look. Many fashion influencer wear crochet tops in summer outfits. They look amazing with skirts, denim, and beachwear. Boho style crochet tops are especially trendy. They have loose patterns, follow design, and their are relaxed vibe. And the weaver, they look beautiful with wears and culture outfits. What make crochet fashion especially needs handmade texture and the weavers. Friends, weavers, and the weavers. It is not flat or machine made. It has the bed and texture. That is why crochet clothing stand out in fashion. It is art made with yarn and practice. Every stitch is carefully placed in love effort. When someone wears a handmade top, it feels more personal. And viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos.